ready to set sail from Singapore on the newest and largest ship of the Disney Cruise Line, the Disney Adventure. This isn't just a cruise. It's a floating theme park with 7 unique areas, the largest roller coaster at sea, and exclusive experiences you won't find anywhere else. If you have booked your maiden voyage, or you're deciding to, you need a whole new game plan. The Disney Adventure is a different kind of ship, with 6,700 guests and over 40 entertainment experiences. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate first-timer's guide, tailored specifically for this ship. The must-dos before your cruise, what to pack, the essential things you absolutely cannot miss, and the insider hacks that will make you feel like a pro on this mega ship. So grab your Mickey ears and let's dive in! Believe it or not, your Disney adventure begins months before you even step foot on the gangway. Here's what you need to do while you're still on dry land. First, complete your online check-in exactly 30 days before sailing. Mark it on your calendar right now. This isn't just paperwork, it's your ticket to a smooth start. When online check-in opens, you'll select your port arrival time. Now, the earlier you arrive, the earlier you can start exploring this magnificent ship. Guests who have completed their online check-in can also save tons of time at the terminal too. To complete online check-in, you will need to upload the required travel documents and a photo. Provide a payment method for onboard extras and then select your port arrival time. I've shared the link below for your convenience too. Now, I highly recommend that you arrive during your designated port arrival timing, or at most 15 minutes earlier. Going too early may result in standing outside the terminal in the heat for quite a while. Next, download the Disney Cruise Line Navigator app. This app will become your best friend prior to and during the cruise. It allows you to submit lifestyle special requests like birthday celebrations, request special services for dietary restrictions, explore the ship's deck plans, browse onboard activities, entertainment and live shows, book and manage reservations for activities. Premium activities such as Market Sulis, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, beverage seminars, spa treatments, etc. can be booked as early as 75 days before the departure date. If you are bringing along anyone under 18 years old, the Navigator app can also be used to register your kids, tweens and teens prior to sailing for all youth activities. Once on board, connect to the Wi-Fi and use it to view your cruise schedule and reserve activities. Communicate with family and friends with the handy chat feature. Get important information about ship locations, port of calls, receive digital receipts, and much more. And if you also want your kids to use the app while on board, even though they are too young to create an account, let me show you how it can be done. As soon as you board the ship, you will have an activation code that your kids will use to activate their app while on board. This code can be found on your Navigator app, and there are instructions guiding you to do all this in the app. But it can only be done on board, so just make sure your kids have the Navigator app already downloaded in their devices before going on board. And if you run into any hiccups, there is a dedicated desk on board called Connect at Sea to assist you. Alright, fast forward. You have done your pre-cruise homework and you've just stepped into the Grand Hall at Town Square. Don't just stand there staring at the Snow White wishing well. Here's your day one strategy. The Navigator app is your lifeline, but here's the most important thing to know. Connect to the ship's free Wi-Fi as soon as you board and check out all the scheduled activities. But don't panic if you can't book everything right away. Why? Because Disney keeps things fair. Character meet and greets, the Royal Gathering, roller coaster rides and exclusive experiences like the Baymax meet and greet only open for booking after the mandatory master drill, once all guests are on board. That means it doesn't matter if you board at 11 AM or 2 PM. Everyone gets the same fair chance to book. So relax, explore the ship and set an alarm on your phone for right after that safety drill. Tip 2. Skip the buffet chaos. Everyone rushes to the main dining spots. Instead, do two things. First, head to Toy Story Place on the upper deck and ride Jessie and Woody's wow slides while the lines are non-existent. Second, grab a quick bite at less crowded spots like Pizza Planet or Stitch's Ohana Grill. Or if you prefer a seated service meal, the Navigators Club on Deck 6 is open on boarding day for lunch service and it is less crowded than the buffet restaurants. Tour the kids' clubs early. Get your kids signed up on day 1. Even if they are shy, the open house hours allow you to explore together. Trust me, once they see the Pixar and Marvel theming, you won't see them again until dinner. Packing for a cruise is a little different from a normal vacation. Here are some essentials many first-time cruisers tend to forget. Ta-da! First-time cruisers are often surprised by this. On the Disney Adventure, basic toiletries like toothbrush and toothpaste are not provided in the staterooms. Typically, there are shampoo, conditioner, body wash and soap, but not dental essentials. So make sure you pack your toothbrush, toothpaste, dental floss, etc. etc. It may sound obvious, but forgetting them means you have to buy them on board, where prices can be higher. Here's a cruise hack many experienced cruisers swear by. Cabin walls on cruise ships are metallic, so magnetic hooks are perfect for hanging hats, bags, and whatever else you want on the walls to keep your stateroom organized. And pack a swimsuit in your carry-on. Your luggage may take hours to arrive, but the infinity pool at Marvel Landing invites you to soak up sweeping ocean views surrounded by playful nods to the legendary Infinity Stones. Another crucial reminder is to bring along your passport with at least 6 months of validity in your hand carry luggage, as you will need them for check-in and immigration at the port. Also, remember that chewing gum and vaping are illegal in Singapore. Do not bring them on board. Finally, these are the non-negotiable experiences unique to the Disney adventure that you cannot miss out on. First, you have to visit all 7 theme zones. They are their own destinations brimming with immersive experiences. The Disney Imagination Garden is at the heart of the ship, amid a charming courtyard and majestic stage. Throughout your voyage, this is where you catch captivating stage performances like Avengers Assemble, Duffy and the Friendship, spot your favorite Disney characters, and enjoy delicious Indian and Pacific cuisines at Mowgli's Eatery and Grandma Tala's Kitchen. The Disney Discovery Reef is an expansive open-air retreat at the back of the ship. You can savor tasty offerings at Cosmic Kebabs here while immersed in underwater tales of the Little Mermaid. The Toy Story Place spans the center of the upper decks and offer aquatic family fun with the Sunnyside Family Pool, Woody and Jessie's Wild Slides, the Flying Saucer Splash Zone and several whirlpool spas. And when it's time to refill, enjoy a quick bite from Pizza Planet or a soft serve ice cream from Wheezy's Freezies here. Marvel Landing is located on the ship's upper deck, with 3 brand new supercharged attractions: Groot's Galaxy Spin, Pym Quantum Races and Ironcycle Test Run, the first ever roller coaster aboard a Disney Cruise Line ship. It is also the longest roller coaster at sea, spanning over 250 meters. When your spirit of discovery beckons, follow your heart to Wayfinder Bay. This outdoor oasis of relaxation and entertainment is inspired by the Disney film Moana. The pool area also doubles as a unique performance venue for interactive events and live shows like Moana Call of the Sea. San Francisco Street is where you can catch a Disney movie at Baymax Cinemas, or explore the unique twin and teen youth clubs, cleverly disguised as charming shops. Pick up special keepsakes at Duffy and Friends shop here and join the Duffy and Friends Discovery Quest too. Town Square is where Disney princesses reign supreme. From Tangled to Frozen, Cinderella to Tiana, this enchanting land boasts themed dining, charming cafes and unique shops. At its center, the iconic Walt Disney Theatre hosts dazzling Broadway-style shows, such as the exclusive show Remember, that you literally cannot catch anywhere else on Earth. On this note, I really like how well everything is organized on a Disney cruise. The main theatre shows are already pre-arranged according to your dining time, so you don't need to make reservations or plan ahead. This rotating schedule helps spread guests across the theatre and dining rooms, making the experience smoother for everyone. All you need to do is simply check the schedule in your Navigator app and arrive a little early if you want the best seats. Then just sit back, relax, and enjoy the Broadway-style entertainment. Next, find the exclusive characters. The Disney Adventure features region-specific favorites. Keep an eye out for Duffy and Friends, especially Lina Bell, who is hugely popular in Asia. Also, check the app for appearances by Baymax and Hero. Last but not least, shop for the exclusive Disney Adventure merchandise. There are also limited edition inaugural Voyage Mickey ears, mugs, and many more. Expect long queues for the only Duffy and Friends store at sea, but then all the wait is well worth it. The Disney Adventure is shaping up to be one of the most exciting ships in the fleet, especially for cruises from Asia. From the longest sea coaster to exclusive character encounters, this ship is built for
adventure.
With a little preparation and these simple tips, you'll be ready to enjoy every magical moment on board. Are you booked on the Disney Adventure? Which zone are you most excited to explore? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to please like and subscribe for more magical voyages, cruise guides, ship tours, and insider tips. If you have decided to book your Disney Adventure, please click on the link below to do so. There will be ongoing promotions, and if you need any assistance, please feel free to reach out to us. In the meantime, have a magical day and thanks so much for watching. See you soon.